It'd be helpful if I switch it on. Right, I've been asked for Biasi Mini C24. No hot water and no heating. Yeah, go on. Try the hot water for me, please. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now today I just done a Biasi C24. It was a very old boiler. It's been so many years since I've had to repair one of them, so obviously you forget the sequence on them. But anyway, what was happening is they had no hot water or heating. The pump was circulating but no hot water. It wasn't firing up. I checked the pump, I checked the fan out. There's no power going to the fan, and my conclusion, my gut feeling was going to the circuit board, but boy wasn't that wrong. Anyway, phoned over technical. They said to me, have check the pump micro switch out, and I said the pump's working. The spindle, I can see that coming out, but obviously that doesn't mean nothing. It's got to make the contact, the micro switch. So they asked me to do it manually. I did it manually, and guess what? The boiler fired up. So lucky the technical was opened, and it's something I've repaired so many times in the past, but it just jumped me this time, and I was just about to change the circuit board on it. Thankfully I didn't. But you learn, you're always learning, and you're going to carry on learning, and you're going to learn more and more. Don't stop learning, guys. Try the hot water for me, please. Now let's see what's happening to it. Precious on, yep, that's activated. Yeah, you see the water light is on. Is that it? It's supposed to give me a red light. Try again. Can you switch it off and switch it back on for me, please? Now, yeah, go on. Can we have another go, please? Let's see, yeah. See if everything's working on it now. Okay, off and try again.
Off?
Yeah, please.
Again?
Yeah, go for it. That's fine. That's the pump. So I'm checking if there's any voltage going to the fan. Obviously there's no voltage going to the fan because the micro switch isn't proving that the pump is working. I also looped the overheat stat just in case, but that didn't do it. So all this is an elimination process. I know I should have gone to the micro switch at the first place, but I saw the spindle coming out. I thought it was making a connection, but I didn't take it out. But anyway, I done all them checks and it's still not doing it, and I was thinking, okay, maybe it's a circuit board that's gone on it. But there was a bit of a doubt in me. Might not be the circuit board, might be something else. So what I'm looking for here is 240 going across the 2 circuit boards when it goes to the ignition process, but there wasn't any, so that's when I was starting to think maybe it is the ignition board.
It's coming through.
You got it working?
Yeah.
It's starting to get soft.
Yeah, I'm going to switch it off now, yeah. I need to put the cover on.
Yeah, it's starting to get warm.
Okay, I'm going to switch it off then.
Push it up, yeah?
Yeah. I'm going to put this cover on.
That one. Oh, heating's coming on, isn't it?
Right, I think that's fine.
Board was alright in the end then, yeah?
Yeah,
When you checked it, yeah? We did have a guy like a...
Another one sorted out. Birmingham boiler fix.
So after a few days, they called me back and they said stop working again. It's not there's no ignition on it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to change the diaphragm on it and readjust the biker switch on it, and hopefully that'll work for a very long time. Now the system is very dirty. They don't have a magna filter on it, and I think they've got a bit of a circulation issues on it. Now they want to change the boiler, but I don't think that's going to resolve the issue. They're going to have to power flush or do a chemical flush on this system. Otherwise, there's going to be continuous problems on this boiler. So guys, unfortunately I had to come back to this ideal boiler, the mini C24. Anyway, I had to come back to it. It did work for a couple of days, and today I had to come back to it, unfortunately. Now the reason being, well, this time what I had to do is drain the system down, and I changed the pump, the flow diaphragm on it, and I also adjusted the micro switch on it. Now while I was draining it out, you probably see in the film, well, you'll see in the film how dirty the water is. They need a power flush or a chemical, well, even a chemical flush might just do the job for it, but they definitely need some sort of flush on it, and they definitely need a magna filter on it. I ever advised them that, and that's up to them what they're going to do. But at the moment, I've changed the power diaphragm, which wasn't ripped or damaged in any way, but they already had one, and so I just changed it for them. I've drained the system down, and I also adjusted the micro switch on it, and I'm hoping it'll carry on working for a very long time, but that doesn't resolve the issues. It's got a dirty system, so they're considering changing the boiler. They asked me if it's a good idea to change the boiler. I said, yeah, of course, your boiler is quite old. You know, it's going to start breaking down on a regular basis. It'd be a good idea to change it, but if you got the budget for it. But having said that, that won't resolve the issues you've got, which is a dirty system. You got to get that flushed, chemical flush or power flush, and once that's done, you need a magna filter on it as well. So it's up to them. I advise them what to do with it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Take care, guys.